In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine first and last names in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn separate first and last name columns into a single, neatly formatted full name. Start by heading to Google in your web browser. At the top right of the page, look for the grid icon, the Google Apps launcher. Click that to open the menu of Google Tools. From there, choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. Once Sheets loads, open your spreadsheet where you already have a column for first names and another for last names. Now click into an empty cell where you want the combined name to appear. We're going to build the formula that joins the two parts of the name. Type an equal sign to start a formula, then begin typing the word concatenate. You'll see a suggestion appear. Click on concatenate to insert the function and its opening parenthesis. With the function started, click on the cell that contains the first name. After selecting it, we need to tell Sheets what to place between the first and last names. Type a comma to move to the next argument, then type a comma character inside quotation marks, followed by another comma. In other words, you're adding a literal comma between the two names. If you prefer a space after the comma, type a comma and a space inside the quotes instead. The quotes are important because they tell Sheets to use that exact punctuation as text. Next, click the cell that contains the last name. Add a closing parenthesis and press Enter. You should now see the first and last names combined into one cell, separated by the punctuation you chose. If you used only a comma in the quotes, it will appear right next to the first name. If you included a space in the quotes, it will look cleaner, like first name, last name. A couple of quick pointers to keep your results tidy. Make sure your first and last name cells don't contain unintended leading or trailing spaces, since those will carry into your combined result. If the formula doesn't appear to work, double-check that your quotes are straight quotation marks and that you included commas between each part of the function. That's it. Open Sheets, open your document, and use the concatenate function to join the first name, a comma in quotes, and the last name. You now have a fast, reliable way to produce full names from separate columns in Google Sheets.